Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on the 4 different ways to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work out for the S26 and the S26 Plus as well. The first and easiest method is to simply just tap on the power button and the volume down button together. So just tap on the power button and volume down button and the screenshot will be taken. Now from here you can choose to edit the screenshot by simply cropping it just like so. So you can crop to wherever you want. You can also choose to write on the screenshot. And once you're done, you can proceed to share your screenshot by tapping on the share icon to any social media, or you can just save it by tapping on the save icon at the bottom over here, and your screenshot will be saved into your gallery. The second way to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is to swipe down through the control center, tap on the pencil icon at the top right, and then proceed to select on the add a control at the bottom. Now you can see the take a screenshot icon. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on done at the top, and then here you have the take a screenshot icon, and from wherever you are on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can swipe down, tap on the take a screenshot icon at the bottom, and the screenshot will be taken. You can as well go ahead and edit it and even share it from over here if you want as well. Another way to take a screenshot, that is for a scrolling screenshot. Take for instance a page that is this long. What you want to do is to first of all take the screenshot using any of the previous method, maybe the button method, and then once you take the screenshot, you want to tap on the scrolling icon at the bottom, just at the left hand side. Continue to tap on it and the screen will continue to scroll down while capturing everything on your screen. And once you're done, you can as well go ahead and just leave it, and it will automatically be saved into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The final way to have a screenshot is with the Samsung S Pen. So if you take out your S Pen like so, and then just tap on this pen icon over here. Now tap on the screen write option, and automatically a screenshot to be taken on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra as well. Finally, to view all of your screenshots, all you just have to do is to go over to your gallery. You can go over to albums, and here we have the recent option where you should now be able to find all of your screenshots. So this is the long screenshot, this is the other screenshot I took. These are actually everything, and I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.